Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be made. Another very nice day for the stock here. So first thing I'm going to do is actually some house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which played out perfectly here. But this rule states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And like I said, you could throw this right into a textbook if you wanted to. So got the break this morning, price pulled back, and look right where the price went sideways, literally essentially right at that level now. Is it down to the exact penny? No. But I mean, we're talking about a $50 stock, and support and resistance levels are not exact locations. There's a range element. So I think we can all agree it definitely hovered within the range of that level, and then from there started to work its way back upwards. But the moral of the story there is that ideally speaking, $56 would be the best case scenario. With all that being said, I say ideally speaking because it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies AMD and the chart is totally destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price could stay above that level, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 56 would be great. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact of the party stopped today right up there at 58. So $58, public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, very, very nice movement. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.